So in this video, we're looking at the US dollar index and where we think the market is going. The bearish pressure in the US dollar index is the reason why the Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, and the rest of them, that is just why they are moving up. Okay, so for instance, we've been seeing this bearish pressure on US dollar index. Now, the reason we're seeing that is just what I want to show you in this video. You know, if you understand how the market moves, it will help you not to fight the market. All right, so if you look from back into history, you see that this US dollar index from around 2007, we've seen the market establish a very strong channel, okay? And the market has respected this channel, all right? It's been moving from the top of the channel to the bottom, to the top of the channel, then to the bottom of the channel, to the top of the channel where we got a kind of a breakout, which finally turned out to be a fake out, just like we had at these occasions. All right, that also established a new channel which we're moving within. So the market left the top of that channel at this point and has been moving this way. By the way, this is the weekly chart. All right, this is a weekly chart, and the reason I'm looking at this on a bigger picture is for us to know exactly where the market is going, so that we don't panic when we see certain things happening in the market. All right, since the market left this very top of this channel, we expect the market to come to the bottom of the channel. Like we always say that the market loves symmetry. So if you understand that the market loves symmetry, you just respect that and trade in that direction. That doesn't mean that we don't get fluctuations within that period. Like you can see from the point the market left this point, this very top of the channel, we've got some serious corrections around here, which was also a very serious move in the market. But ultimately, we're heading to the bottom of the channel, which we're about to complete in the coming days or in the coming weeks. All right, this will be the bottom of the channel, and that also is also coming to the bottom of this channel, this new established channel. Okay, and that will be having the market hitting or coming into the confluence of channel bottoms. Okay, so this will be a confluence of channel bottom. We could see price when it hits the bottom of these channels. We could still see price drop down to this area, because this is where you may see most buyers. Okay, most likely we're going to see the DXY drop to around 94.70 area in the coming weeks. Okay, however, we may still see price bounce from here. The market does wherever it wants, but we should just be watching what happens around this confluence of support. So that is exactly what we're looking at on the weekly time frame. So we should be expecting price to drop into these very areas, and this is the more reason we are expecting a more bullish action in Euro USD and GBP USD. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos.